Cooking fresh pasta is really so simple. It's going to take me just a minute or two to give you a quick explanation so you can get to eating. Have some kind of pasta sauce already going, cooking, either from a can, freshly made, or some kind of dish you're making. Have the pasta sauce already going and ready first. Then in a separate pot, you want to boil some water with a little bit of salt, and once that's boiling, add all of your fresh pasta into that pot. Yes, you can cook it all at once. It shouldn't stick together. Most likely if you've made your own pasta, you have enough flour or whatever in there for it to hold up its shape, so it shouldn't be sticking together. And you'll see, once you put the pasta in that boiling water, it'll be ready, floating to the top within a minute or two, so it's super quickly. I strain off the water, but keep a little bit if you can help it, because you want to be putting that pasta directly into your sauce that's already going, right? With a little bit of that pasta sauce, because I find it just, most of the time, it's just a little bit too thick for the sauce to have all this pasta in there. Now that'll depend on how runny your sauce is, of course, but reserve a little bit of that pasta cooking water just in case. So you're adding all the fresh pasta that you just cooked in the boiling water into your sauce, letting that cook in there for like 5 to 10 minutes to soak up the sauce juices that is flavorful, letting that kind of cook into the fresh pasta. So you're just like cooking it for a few minutes in water and then adding it into the sauce to soak up the flavor and the sauce. Hope that's helpful, super quick, very easy, and so delicious. Enjoy your pasta.